Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're talking about another major recall. Now this one comes from somebody you probably won't be surprised with. Before we get started, if you don't mind smashing the sub button, hit the thumbs up and notification bell so you know we're posting new content. So Ford is recalling 694,000 Bronco Sport and Escape vehicles because of a fuel injector that may crack and leak. Crack and leak fuel in the engine bay, you know what that can lead to? A fire. Now, it's one of those things where it affects 21 to 24 Bronco Sport and 2020 to 22 Ford Escape models equipped only with the 1.5 liter engine. Now, Ford has been looking into this issue since 2022, according to NHTSA. The Field Review Committee actually approved recalls in November of 22, March of 24, and March of 25, which they basically tried to put a Band-Aid on this fix with a software update. Now, Ford has continued to investigate the issue, and it is becoming an issue and continued. They're blaming corrosion as a contributing factor to the fuel injector crack and leak. Now, Ford has only had 8 vehicles experience under hood fires. 6 of those vehicles did not have the engine software update. Now, Ford has decided to issue a recall for these vehicles and to update the software for free of charge until there's a true remedy available. So as long as this Band-Aid kind of prevents it from having a fire risk, and that's good. But they're not going to start notifying owners until August 18th, and we want to get this information out to you as soon as possible, especially if you have one of those 2 vehicles that's affected by it. Now, down below, I will link NHTSA's website. You can go over there. It's free to do to check your vehicle, any of your vehicles for recalls. It's safe to do. You're not providing personal information, and you can see if your vehicle is currently affected by a recall. I'll also put customer's Ford service number in the details, and the reference number for the recall is 25 S as in Sam 76. So again, I will put that down below. So we want to make sure everybody out there is safe, you and your family and everybody else on the road that you're working around. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here, and I'm going to catch you on the next one.